Am I slow or is it that tedious? My hair goal is to have manageable hair, not necessarily long hair, but I want manageable hair. Ignore my wrapper on my head, okay? How is this $15? Let me come closer. How? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day. Today is Saturday, and the time is currently 10:50. Yeah. Tell me why I recorded a 2-minute long intro to today and the microphone was already dead. That microphone, see, is fake. It is fake. I don't know where the second pair is. So, or the second one is. So, Sha, today is Saturday. For some weird reasons, I don't know how to like chill out. Why am I up on a Saturday at 6 a.m. when I have nowhere to go? Like, I have nowhere to go. Why? So Hobby went to work today, and since he left, I've not been able to sleep. And I'm like, okay, I didn't even actually intend on trying to go to bed, but I'm like, let me just relax, have a chill morning. Again, I'm like, why would I just sit and don't do anything? I'm like, okay, let me edit a reel, because I've had the reels filmed since, like, at this point it's over a month. It's been over a month. So I'm like, okay, let me edit that. Why am I editing a less than 1 minute reel for over 2 hours? Am I slow or is it that tedious? So I edited it. It was too long. I had to re-edit it. It was a lot, you guys. It was a lot. Now I'm so hungry, and today is also air day. Today is air day. I need to wash, deep condition, and blow out my hair. I'm also going to be doing like I'm going to be trying something new with my hair today. I'm going to film it in a reel. I'm not going to like do a proper video, but depending on the outcome, how I like it, then I'm going to now make a dedicated video on that, because yeah, I'm trying out new things for my hair, just to form a very, very helpful regimen for my hair. And yes, if you do not know, my hair goal is to have manageable hair, not necessarily long hair, but I want manageable hair. Yeah, so that's it. So I need to just stand up and make breakfast. I've forgotten all the long story that I said, but anyway, welcome back to another day. I need to make myself a quick breakfast and get on with washing my hair. So normally I would have been terrified of the amount of time that I have to be able to do my hair, but like I don't want to always dread a day. So I'm just gonna take it slow and just enjoy the process and see how it goes. Like, I want a day to be like self-care day too. I mean, you're taking care of your hair, you're taking care of yourself, so it should not be tedious. So I think I'm rambling too much. But yeah, welcome to another day. And please kindly ignore this Christmas tree, because it's February and it's still up there. And see, I'm sure you people are going to be watching this vlog in March and you'll still be seeing Christmas tree and you'll be like, what is going on, Tosin? Please bear with me. I want to switch it up. I already got a flower vase. I think in this vlog I got it. So, and in the last vlog, not in the last vlog, it's going to be in this vlog as well. That was yesterday. I went to the store and I checked out some flowers. I saw some that I like, but I didn't want to get them yesterday. That was on the mission. So maybe I'll get them at the beginning of the week. You know, Valentine's week, self-love week. It's actually self-love month for me because it's my birth month and I'm gonna spoil myself. Girl, you deserve it. You deserve it. So I'm going to get flowers next week. Yeah, I'm going to get flowers next week, then I'll switch this thing out. Okay, so please bear with me in the meantime. You guys, look at this. How cool. I was just taking the skin off this onion, and guess what I drew? I carved out the map of Africa. You guys, just when I realized that, wait, this is a map of Africa, I was already peeling off this other side and made it, more perfect. But yay. You. Hi guys. Hi peeps. So I've just finished washing my hair, done everything, wash, deep condition, protein treatment, clay mask, everything. And I've also just taken a shower. Now let us tend to these things. You guys saw me. I went and picked this up again. Obvious friend came through. Thank you so much. I don't even know if they're gonna watch it, but like, thank you guys so much. Like, ooh, the sun is blinding, and it's blinding me. The sun is giving. Anyway, ignore my wrapper on my head, okay? So my hair is drying. I don't want all the water dripping all over my body. I don't want to use towel because they say towels are not good for your hair. Although I use it, but today I don't want to use it because I can't deal with that heaviness. It's too heavy. Yeah. So let us deal with this. So Obi's friend got us this, hooked us up real good. Get your friends that hook you up. It's better deals. So he went to the flea market today because Obi went to work. He couldn't go with him, but like, he was kind enough to help us source for this. You guys, these bell peppers, I was told cost $15. Do you see how big it is? Do you see? $15. Another $15. Oh my god, these ones are even more than the last, like they're much bigger and cheaper than the last box of tomatoes that they got for us. Woo. All of this, all of this for $15. Oh my god, I want to cry. Like, I just want to shed tears now over all my dollars, all over every dollars that I've spent buying tomatoes in small bits. How is this $15? Let me come closer. How? Meanwhile, oh, I don't even know if I showed you guys the last tomatoes that I bought. I don't know if I showed you guys on the vlog. I got those for $10. Hey. And they were like, they're not even as big as this. And they were like, I don't even think they were up to 10 balls of tomatoes. Flea market is the way. What? I'm just here chilling. I'm thinking of all the house chores that I have to do. All the things that I have to do. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to boil meat because I want to make jollof tomorrow. Like, I want to batch cook jollof tomorrow, Sunday. And I don't know what we're going to have for dinner today. We'll probably just have Indomie, happy. Yeah, Indomie, happy. Oh, Indomie. Nah, we don't have any. I feel so weak. I'm so hungry. Everything just did to me. You get us in the do me. Wow. To the place right now, I'm almost running late. So my boat is downstairs. Normally I would have entered tram, but I'm carrying a lot. I realized I'm just being giving to myself a lot that I feel it feels choking. My body goes to
and this, you branded content in virtually any digital format. It's a crazy thing, but this label
Finally. We have a kettle now. Wow.